Hi, this is Colonel Barge giving you a demo of some home cooking. Today we are making homemade pizza. Basically, we get the pizza base from one of the local stores. This time I have got the pizza base from mart, and we top it up with various toppings like either mince meat, that is keema, or plain burji made at home, or some French beans cut, diced to small pieces, or any other mutter mash, or peas mash, or potatoes, or something like that. As long as the topping is tasty and added with a little bit of cheese, which makes it very, very yummy. So today I'll show you the burji has already been cooked and made. I'm just showing you how I top up my pizza base with this burji and cheese mix and do a little bit of decoration on top, and how I bake it in my small little oven. So let's see what are the main ingredients. Is the burji of 2 eggs uh, with onion, tomatoes, green chilies, uh, salt, and some seasoning like jeera mori, etc., and a little bit of red pepper also. The other items are the pizza base which I got from mart. Uh, this is a pasta and pizza uh, red sauce which I get again from the local store. I cover up the pizza base with this. It is quite thick, like jam, and it is very tasty. The burji is mixed with this Amul diced cheese. It is mozzarella and cheddar cheese blend. It's This is how it looks. It is small cubes and available. I get it from Big Basket. Then another item which I always use are the cheese slices, again from the local store, and I put one cheese slice for each of the pizza base. I cut them up into stripes like this. Make one cheese slice into 8 strips and then decorate it on top of the burji. And the other items are, of course, gadgets which are used for cutting up the pizza. Vagare. Now I'm mixing up the cheese with the burji. This is the cheese and this is the burji. I just put it together and mix it up. Mix it up well so that the cheese is spread all over the burji mixture. Once this is mixed well, I will spread this mixture over the two pizzas and then decorate it on the top. Spread it round evenly. As I have two pizzas, I'm just separating into two halves so that I put an equal share on top of both the pizzas. Again, the burji also has to be spread around evenly. And that's done for one pizza. We'll do the similar this thing for the next pizza. Now what I do on top of this is I add the cheese slice cuttings, the strips that you see. I'll just show you how I place them. You can do it any way you like it. That looks okay. I have also taken one tomato and cut into thin slices. One tomato I have made into 16 pieces. And these 16 pieces I add more for decoration. It looks nice like this in between the cheese slices. Adds a little color to the pizza. So 8 slices have gone into one pizza. This is my final decoration. You can add whatever you want for it to look good as well as to make it tasty. Similarly, I will decorate the second pizza also, and then I will show you how I bake it in my oven. My pizza toppings are finished, and this is how they look. I'll give you a closer look. This is one, and this is the second one. This is my Agaro oven, which I bought from uh, Amazon for about a little over 5,000 rupees. It's quite light and very easy to operate. It surprisingly it has a rotisserie where you can bake a whole chicken uh, as a whole unit without cutting it up. So that's a wonderful facility in this oven. Plus, it has got top heating, lower heating, and all the other normal gadgets for an oven. Now I will be placing the two pizza bases into the oven. Before that, I will preheat the oven for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees. The oven bell has just gone off. That means the preheating for 10 minutes is finished. Now it automatically switches off. So I'll be arranging the setting to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Automatically the light comes on, and I will put the pizza bases inside. And that is the second pizza base that I'm putting inside. The top heating and the bottom heating is on, so it is being heated from both sides. Uh, I'll show you how it looks from close up. This is how it looks at the beginning. I'll the uh, the strips, that is the cheese strips that I have put on the side on top of the burji, have started melting a little bit. It is now a little over 15 minutes that the oven has been on. It is now 20 minutes since we switched on the oven. Let's open and get our pizzas out and see how they look. This is the way. You can see that the sides have started browning. Obviously, it's baked well. Only thing left is now to cut it up and start eating. So let's go and try it out. All the best. Thank you for watching.